GoAgentic AI has just been released, and if you're looking to step up your business game with cutting-edge technology, this software might be the answer you've been searching for. In this video, I'll walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about GoAgentic AI to help you decide if it's right for you. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal something you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about the core of GoAgentic AI. This platform has been designed to automate complex business tasks that traditionally required multiple tools or even a whole team. It combines AI and automation to handle tasks such as scheduling, lead generation, follow-ups, and much more. The goal is simple: streamline your workflows, boost productivity, and cut down on manual labor. And it's designed in a way that even those with minimal tech experience can use it effectively. One of the standout features of GoAgentic is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other platforms. Whether you're using Google Calendar, your CRM, or email tools, GoAgentic has built-in integrations that save you time and effort by connecting everything in one place. No more jumping between platforms. It's all in the same ecosystem, making your processes faster and more efficient. Another crucial aspect of GoAgentic is its AI-powered lead generation. The software uses natural language processing to help you find high-quality leads based on the keywords and specific criteria you set. This means you're not just pulling in random leads. You're bringing in those that are more likely to convert, saving you time and effort. Plus, with GoAgentic AI's smart follow-up system, it ensures that leads aren't just collected, but nurtured until they turn into customers. What really sets GoAgentic apart is its personalization feature. The AI learns from your business's data to deliver personalized solutions, whether it's custom content, tailored outreach, or specific workflows. This is a game changer for businesses looking to move away from one-size-fits-all solutions and towards more customized, results-driven strategies. Now, the dashboard might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll see why it's so powerful. It gives you full visibility over your tasks, analytics, and lead generation efforts. You can track your ROI in real time, adjust your strategies on the fly, and get detailed insights into your performance, all in one place. Security is a big deal when you're automating processes and managing customer data, and GoAgentic doesn't take that lightly. It offers robust encryption and privacy settings, ensuring your business data is always protected. You'll have peace of mind knowing your information is in safe hands, especially with the growing concern around data breaches in the digital space. Finally, GoAgentic AI is constantly evolving. The team behind it is working hard to update and improve the software regularly. So, as you start using it, you can expect new features and even more powerful automation capabilities down the line. Before I wrap up, I just want to let you know that you can try GoAgentic AI completely free. Yes, completely free from the first link in the description below. Give it a test run and see for yourself how it can transform the way you work. In conclusion, after testing thousands of AI software, GoAgentic stands out as one of the best in terms of ease of use, power, and versatility. If you're looking for AI software that truly understands your business needs and can handle tasks efficiently, GoAgentic is worth your attention. Don't forget, I've also included my recommended AI software for other business needs in the description below, all of which you can try for free. Thanks for watching.